I'm live. I never come to know when I start. Okay, I am live. Hello, people. This is our last session. But I'm so excited to be here. Just waiting for everybody to come. Drinking my water. Cheers. And Taiba is the first one to say hi. Hello, Taiba. Pretty girl. All right. So everybody's here. Let me give a quick introduction of what we're doing. We're going to be doing a little bit of chatting about what this lockdown has meant to all of us, what it has meant to me especially. It's not just about the fitness. It's going to be about life, and it's just going to be about everything that I've learned, and I genuinely mean. I'm going to mean everything that I'm going to say today because I think it's going to be a heartfelt one. But to start off, I want to say thank you to Sugar Free, who made me do this. They are my family for so many years now, and I hope they continue to let me be a part of their family always, because I think they're one of the best brands to be associated with because of what they stand for. They stand for health and fitness. And as all of you know, that is the biggest part of my journey in my life was when I became fitter in my life. So thank you, Sugar Free, for allowing me to be the message bearer of, your motto. And I hope I'm doing a good job. And let's get started. So, I'm gonna take a few questions from you guys about what you think this lockdown has meant. What are the changes you guys have brought about in your food, fitness, and health journey? As you know, the biggest thing that I've done in my life is to replace refined sugar from my life with sugar-free green completely. In fact, just after this live session, I plan to go and bake a cake today, and I'm gonna do it with sugar-free instead of sugar. So if I'm feeling adventurous and if I have the guts to make a video of that, of my cooking, then I will make a video and I will post it for you guys. So you can see how you can use it for desserts, you can use it for your tea and coffee, you can use it for cakes, you can use it for whatever you want. And you will become a healthier version of you and a happier version of you because you get to eat all the sweet in the world, but not use refined sugar, which is not good for your health. Alrighty, on that note, let's start with some questions which I'm dying to answer. Okay, some people are saying, please show your house. No. I choose my frames very smartly so that you guys don't get to see too much of my house, but very tiny bit. I had once done a big photo shoot of my house, and I don't want to do it in my new house. I want to keep it a little private. So sorry guys, but whenever I feel like I want to share, I will for sure share pictures. For now, you can just enjoy this artwork above me, which is near my bar, and it says blah blah blah, which is what we're gonna do today. So Shubhamita Banerjee, recently I made a cake with sugar free. Okay, sorry, I was laughing at some other comment. People are distracting me. But that's what I'm going to try today. I have never made a full-on cake, like a big cake. So I'm going to try it today with sugar-free. But I've been told that it's extremely successful. I use it every day in other things, but I haven't used it in a full cake. So I'm going to try it today. Siddhi Nigwekar is here, guys. She's a friend of mine and she loves to trouble me whenever I come on live. Hi Siddhi, I'm so glad you started waking up early. That's what I was laughing at earlier, guys. She's a mad chick. Okay, Harish Murray saying, please invite your Parizades to your home. घर के बाहर मिल सकते. Okay, so Bernard is saying, in lockdown, weight loss or increase? Definitely increase. I will be honest and say I think I've not been my fittest. It is very difficult to maintain your fitness schedule at home because you tend to get lazy, and also this lockdown has come at the end of a very very hectic schedule. So most of the time is going in just catching up on movies and catching up with friends and sleeping, and however fit you try and be, you of course it's natural to fall off the wagon a little bit, if you know what I mean. So it's not the ideal thing, but like I said, if you just make small changes in your life, like replacing sugar or just do that little exercise every day, at least you'll try and remain on track. But of course it's if you put on a little bit of weight or you're not your fittest, it's okay. Do not feel guilty, but make sure that immediately after the lockdown, you get back to your schedule so that you feel good again. Hi Manoj, hi Payal Datta, hi Jaspreet Kaur. Your skin looks great is Advika Srivastav is saying my skin looks great. Thank you so much. Touch wood. I actually, I really am in a good mood when my skin is fine, and if there's anything wrong with my skin, I'm in a bad mood. Touch wood. I've been blessed with good skin from my parents, thankfully. So I don't have to do too much, but my main rule is I don't use too many products on my face, makeup or skincare. I know a lot of people say that you should do face wash and toner and moisturizer and so many things, but I can't do it. So all I do is I use a face wash and I use a moisturizer. That's all. So keeping it very simple. I don't do face packs. I don't put face masks. I don't do anything. I just try and do as less to my skin as possible and drink lots and lots of water. H2O. Okay. Your smile is very sweet. Thank you. It's because of you guys. Prasad Patil is saying, I've been sending you sketches. Please check. Where have you been? If you send it to me on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, please send them again. Jyotirama Roy is saying, a very sensible actress and has been making the most sense during COVID-19. Thank you so much. I actually really appreciate you saying that, because I've been trying to spread awareness about the coronavirus since January, and I remember everybody around me used to think that I was being very dramatic, and I was being very over conscious about the coronavirus. But I somehow just felt like I saw this coming. All the news that was coming in from China, I was really reading and trying to see between the lines, and I felt like this was going to become something really serious, and unfortunately it did. And I'm so glad that I started quarantining a little earlier than most people, and I'm so glad I did. And I'm so glad that I called up my family and friends and people around me to just be prepared, all those things. So I'm so glad that I actually did that, because I was a little more prepared than most people. Simplicity got a new definition, Pariniti Chopra. So sweet. Arunabh Mukherjee saying the upcoming movie is delayed or will be releasing on time. Of course, it can't release on time. We were supposed to release on the 8th of May, which was like a few days ago. But of course, we can't. We are waiting for information on when theaters will open up again. And that's when we'll be able to decide how we can release the movie. But I'm so excited to show you guys Girl on the Train, which has been directed by my friend Ribu Das Gupta, and Saina Nehwal, which has been directed by Amol Gupte. Both these films are films that are really my two babies, and I can't wait to share them with the world. Ooh, isharo, isharo. Dhruv Nanda is saying, what's the most shararti thing that you have done in your childhood? I was one of those kids who was really a good kid. Like, my parents used to use my example to my brothers and say, see how well behaved she is and see how badly behaved both of you are. And they always used to come and say, Teri wajah se hame daan padti hai. So I was actually a very good kid when I was growing up. And I still think I'm that person. I'm not the most shararti. But yeah, I never used to do anything. I was very boring. I was very boring. Kriti Datta, I love you too. Yes, I have seen posts like Pariniti Chopra and I'm going to get to it tomorrow. I'm going to do a few posts for you guys. Love you for doing that. How sweet. Thank you so much. Singing is really my life. I think anybody who knows me knows that I love to sing, and I don't even realize when I'm singing. It's that much a part of my system, so it just happens all day. So thank you so much. Manish Thakur saying, please complete that song that you sing. Which song did I sing? I didn't hear. 22nd is your birthday and also my birthday. Tabiku, Sultana, Orpa. Happy birthday in advance. We are the best people. We are born on the 22nd of October. So I want to know from you guys how you use sugar-free green every day in your lives, because the way I have started using it is, for example, my tea. Sometimes I have this craving to have tea. I'm usually a coffee drinker, but when I have tea, I know sugar will go in it and I like my tea sweet. So I put sugar-free in it. Or like I said, I'm on my way. I will not show you my kitchen, but I'm going to go into my kitchen after this live session and bake a cake with sugar-free. So I'm actually really excited to show you guys. I'm going to make a few videos and show you guys how to use it. Then you'll believe me. Avneet Singh, Lamba Singh, Pariniti, your jawline is looking very sharp. Trust me, I have not done anything special. In fact, I'm really waiting for the lockdown to get over, for the reason that I can get back to my fitness schedule as aggressively as I used to before. I was working out every single day, and of course, because I'm at home alone, there's so much housework to do or just catching up on shows, you tend to get a little lazy, and I'm not at my optimum at all. So I'm trying to take care of my diet a little bit, but I want to do it. I had once heard in one interview where you said you don't plan your future and you live in the present. This thought changed my life. Absolutely. This is something that I really want to talk to you guys about. I think there's something very important that I've learned from this lockdown. It is something that I always used to say. I always used to say, live for today, and you never know when it's going to be your last day. There are so many deaths that happened around us that really made me realize that life is fickle. We all live thinking that life is for perpetuity, but it's not. You are not infinite mortals. You are going to die one day. And I don't want to be morbid or morose, but I just feel that we really need to understand the meaning of living life for today. You want to make that call to somebody, make it. You want to say I love you to somebody, go say it. You want to travel to a certain destination, do it. Most of us people, especially Indians, are so work oriented. We tend to not see beyond that. We always think, I have to get back to my job or I need to work. But then you're 65 years old and there are so many things in the world that you've still not done and you still want to achieve. So I really want people to remember that life is only given to you once, and you don't want to be 75 years old and have any sorts of regrets. So please do the things that you want to do today. Please spend time with your friends and family. Please do everything that you want to do. I have actually made a list of things that I want to do after this lockdown, and I'm going to make sure that I fulfill every one of that bucket list. And I really feel like the sooner that we realize that we have, one life, one chance, and we've got to make the most of it, we will be so much happier for it. We will be so much more graceful and thankful for this life, and we will be so much happier. So go out there, guys. Do what you want to do today. Don't be immoral. Don't do anything wrong. But, fulfill your desires, your heart's desires. You are very cute and very open. Thank you so much. Manu Royal, you can't go. He's saying I'm done and I'm getting off because you're not replying to me. What? You're lying. I replied to you. Don't go. Amit Jindal is also very angry because I never take his question. But I just did. I love Flack. Please notice me. I'm your admin from your German page. I love you, Isla. Thank you. I wish I could meet you in person. It would be my dream. Please do come and meet me. I would love to meet all of you. You really look pretty. How sweet. Thank you, boys and girls. What's your favorite dessert in lockdown which is fast, quick and healthy? Okay, so there are many desserts that you can make. You can make some protein truffles. It's just like nuts, a little bit of cocoa powder, a little bit of sugar free, and you kind of squeeze it into a ball and put them into the fridge, and the next day you open them and they're just like truffles and you can just eat them. There are recipes online all the time. I'm not a cook at all, but I have this newfound love for looking for recipes online, so I've really been doing that. So go online, find some recipes, use sugar free. Hi, I met you at Edgware Road in London. You were eating shawarma. Hi, Shehzad. I would love to go back to Edgware Road and eat some shawarma. Praful Sharma, no, you cannot go because I'm replying to you and I love you too. When is Girl on the Train releasing? I think you need to rewind my video a little bit and then you will realize. Do you have any plans to direct movies in the future? I think it's going to be a very difficult job. I don't think I'm decisive enough as a person to be a good director. I think acting se sab kaam chalaungi main abhi. I have such lovely directors around me. I would love to be directed by them instead of me directing myself or somebody else. Sochna padega. Your Nepalese fan club belongs to me. Pariwood 22. Hi, Bachchan ADK. Thank you so much. Shivam Shah, please don't be angry with me. I love you. I think you're finding difficulty in getting some comments. I'm done. Isha Jand. Why is everybody angry with me? I'm replying to everybody. You know, the comments are going so fast that by the time I give an answer and come back, they're all gone. So please, I apologize if I can't reply to some of you guys. Vinod Kumar M. Not a single hi from Pari even after 3 live sessions. Arindam Saha, Sagar Agarwal, Ranabir Mitra, Gaurav Mishra, Ashu Radhe, Prafulla Deshmukh, Nizam Ahmed, all of you, hi. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I resemble one of your friends. Show me a photo. So, question, what do you cook the best? I must tell you guys that I cannot cook to save my life. I am the worst cook in the world. But I have amazing cooks around me. I have a few friends of mine who are amazing cooks and they've been trying to teach me a little bit and I've learned a little bit. Yeah, this quarantine has really given me a chance to even enter the kitchen and try my hand at something. They're very, very simple things that I'm trying to cook and I'm trying to get better at just those. I don't have the natural ability to be able to cook, you know, just from my head. I have to follow recipes and I have to be really, really precise. But I have amazing friends around me and my manager, Neha, also is an amazing cook. Birsa Das Gupta is here. Guys, Birsa is my director, Ribu Das Gupta's brother, and he's an amazing director himself in Kolkata, and he is an amazing cook. Just a couple of days ago, I took an amazing recipe for a pasta from him, and Birsa, I'm going to message you and tell you the update. Manali Sakal, any chance we can see you with Priyanka in a Hollywood series or film? I would love that actually. I would love to work with Mimi Didi. I got to work a little bit with her in Frozen 2. That was just a teaser. It was not enough for me, so I want to do more. So yeah, if there's an amazing offer, I would love to do it. Ashu Radhi Singh, when I first saw my girlfriend, I first thought it's you, and from that day onwards, she's with me. Wow. I love it. Beauty with brains and self-confidence. Thank you so much. Himanshu Bhatia, thank you so much. Dibangshu Bora, thank you so much. Magdalena Makhal, my 1.5-year-old baby Alexander is watching you and giving you a flying kiss continuously. Kisses for him also. Pratibha RDH, your eyebrows are beautifully lined. How are you managing in the lockdown? Mine gone all bushy. Pratibha, I actually have an amazing eyebrow shaper. It's a machine that I have from before the lockdown, so I just use that. I know, guys, girl problems. Boys, you have to wait. Girls are going through many problems during this lockdown. So yeah, I just use that machine and I'm good to go. Which song for an Indian Idol audition? I think I would sing a Lata Ji song. Maybe Lag Ja Gale or Piya To Se Naina Lage Re. I really like the song. Piya To Se Naina Lage Re, Naina Lage Re, Jaane Kya Ho Ab Aage Re, Naina Lage Re, Piya To Se Naina Lage Re. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Salika Ahmed, where are you now, Pari? I remember meeting me in Manchester. Andil, wow! So obviously, those who don't know, I studied in Manchester University at the Manchester Business School. So Manchester Andil was one of our shopping centers, and I used to be there all the time. So hi, what's up? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, even from your comments, I can tell that I think the major learning for all of us has been to really appreciate life and be thankful and grateful to whatever we've all been given. You don't have to be rich or affluent or extremely full of a luxurious life, but even if you have a bed to sleep on every night, if you have food thrice a day on your plate without any struggle, if you have your parents, your siblings, your family around you, if you have good friends, then you are more blessed than everybody else in the world who is suffering. And just be thankful for that, guys. Just be thankful that when a world pandemic, a world crisis has come on, we are able to take care of ourselves. You should just be thankful and grateful for that and appreciate these moments, enjoy these moments, and remember these moments. I was just talking to a friend of mine today, and I told them that, you know, I fear that a lot of people are going to forget about this quarantine once it's over, and they're going to go back to their old ways, and they're going to go back to how they used to live life. And I feel, please don't do that. Please remember this lockdown, remember what it taught you, and remember to live life in a better way than you used to before. And more importantly, realize that life only comes once. So do what you want to do, live life the way you want to, and don't let it go waste. You have one chance, make the most of it. But thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I have to go bake that cake now with my sugar-free green, and I'm really excited. I hope it turns out well. I hope I'm not jinxed it by telling so many of you. I'm a little superstitious that way. But thank you so much for joining me, guys. And if I'm ever coming on live again, I will tell you guys on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page, and we can meet again. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
ఈ వీడియోపై మీ విలువైన కామెంట్స్ ని మాతో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఇంకో విషయం, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.